Yes. Hallo. Oh, dankeschön. Tschüss.
I like how they pack this from Amazon. So much paper just to make sure that nothing will be damaged in this pack. So as you understand, guys, today we're gonna have a filament review. Hi guys, welcome to the Max 3D Design. Recently I was searching in Amazon strong PETG filament and I found one filament from EONO and they say that it's gonna be strong bonding and higher temperatures performance for strong parts. So that's how it looks like. The box packed very nice. On one side it says EONO 3D printer filament, on another side EONO by Amazon. I'm pretty impressed just by holding this box already, so let's see what's inside. So as usual, first impressions when I'm opening the box. We get filament, they give you back that you can reseal. I like this sound. I feel it's just like it's been packed yesterday. So of course we have a silica gel. The bag is resealable, so when we finish the printing we can actually close the bag. So I'm gonna store that inside. PETG is not that sensitive for the moisture, but still it's better to keep silica gel inside. So what we see, diameter 1.75, nozzle temperature 230-250, bed temperature 80-90, and it's 1 kilogram filament, wrapped very nice. It goes in correct order, not like some filaments, they just do zigzag, whatever, ugly, but this one pretty good. So let's try how flexible it is. No, it's no chance I'm gonna break it, so I'm gonna cut. And guys, always don't forget to use these special holders for your filament so that it won't be like a loop underneath the loop and then suddenly somewhere in the middle of the print you just stuck because it cannot take out the filament anymore. So let's come back to our filament. Oh no, it's just unbreakable, unstretchable. Oh. No, I don't think I'll be able to break it. The way it bends, yeah, like any even steel metal wire, you can bend it by twisting, but it feels very strong. I can't wait to print something with it. So let's just start printing and see what it's capable of. What to print? Well, let's start with a normal vase. Just look at this baby vase. It looks so cool. For the vase, it's very rare when you have stringing, but with PETG you still get some. With this PETG, I don't see not even one string, which is, I would say, amazing. Just look how beautiful it is. So what we're gonna print next? Yeah, Benchy. So that's our Benchy. As you can see, it's tiny, small, little stringing appears. Did quite good with the bridging, except here on the top. So after the cleaning, it looks pretty good. On the bottom, you still can read ct3d.xyz. At the back, it's hardly readable. I was printing with 0.4mm nozzle and pretty fast, 60mm per second, but turned out very good. So now when we have printed Benchy, usually I print with the white color filaments, it's the little pens. So let's try to print 4 at a time. I know it's gonna be really challenging for the printer, but also we'll see how the filament is handling the stringing, because usually with PETG, if you print 2 objects together, just because of these movements from one side to another, you get this a lot of stringing. So let's see how EONO Filament will handle that. 14 hours 20 minutes. 14 hours 20 minutes print with 4 little pins at once. Look how it's shaking. So here is our 4 little pins. Here I have the lamp, let's make it white. So let's start with the most ugly one that I think. So this is the shark. This is the original picture that I took it from. And that's the little pin. Then I tried to print this eagle and came out something like this. Then this lion. That's the original picture of the lion. And it came out just like this. You see this line over here on the side? It means something was wrong with my printer because it was printing that way. Now let's see my favorite, which is this one. So that's the original, and this is how it turned out on the little pen, which is really amazing. That's what I really like. By the way, I always wanted to do something with that. Since it's PETG, let's go and try something. This was always the plan. Will it float? Oops. It floats, but upside down. Well, looks good when it's floating, just the other way around. So out of all printouts, Vase came out just outstanding. Benchy came out pretty good. Little pens, I think I just printed 4 of them together, which caused this shaking. That's why it wasn't as good. But overall, I think this is good replacement for EONO Filament. I will put all the links in description where you can get it from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great print.